Aşkı versin, kolay gelsin. Bu, biz medrese bütün dünyada izleniyor Allah'a şükür. Başlayın. Euzubillahimineşşeytanirracim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ve salatu ve selamu ala Resulina Muhammedin sallallahu aleyhi ve sellem. اللهم اجعل جمعنا هذا جمعا مغفورا وتفرقنا معصوما الله افتح لنا ابواب علم نافع ورزق واسع شفاء من كل داء وسقم. Allah hayırlara vesile etsin, bereketli olsun, Allah dinler açık olsun, hizmete, hidayete vesile olsun inşallah. Allah make this lesson for his pleasure inshallah. Allah accept this what you do, because Allah He want us to learn from childhood until death. For no limit for knowledge. So inshallah this knowledge with Sharia and Tariqah, it will be light for you here and hereafter. Allah love you, His send angel to protect you inshallah from everything. Inshallah today Mawlana Sheikh was saying to beginning from Wednesday for madrasa, it is good inshallah. This Allah open for you and you teach other people also inshallah. Allah give you all long life, happy life with a strong iman, with barakah and happiness inshallah. And inshallah we meet Sayyidina al-Mahdi. We wait inshallah for him and to meet Mawlana Sheikh in paradise with Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Fatiha. Mashallah. Mubarak.